Want to turn your blurry, low-resolution videos into crisp, stunning 4K quality without needing a massive, expensive editing computer? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily upscale your videos using Media.io. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got old footage, phone videos, or low-res clips that you want to bring up to modern standards, you don't need to learn complicated editing software. Today, we are looking at Media.io. Media.io is an all-in-one online video, image, and music platform. Because it operates as an online studio, all the heavy lifting and AI processing happen in the cloud, meaning you can use it on almost any device with a web browser. Using the tool is incredibly straightforward. Here is how you do it. First, head over to Media.io. You can actually start for free to test out their tools. Once you're in the online studio, look for their AI video enhancement and upscaling tools. Simply drag and drop your low-resolution video file directly into the browser. From there, you'll select your target resolution, like 4K, and let the AI analyze the footage. The AI works by intelligently filling in missing pixels, smoothing out noise, and sharpening details that were lost in the original recording. Once the processing is complete, you can preview the enhanced video and download your brand new, high-quality file. What makes Media.io stand out is that it isn't just a single-use tool. It's a complete creative suite where you can generate and edit videos, images, and even music to help you make viral content. Now, to be completely transparent with you guys, we don't have a large pool of verified user reviews or hands-on feedback in our database for this specific tool yet, because user experiences can vary depending on the file size, original video quality, and internet speed. We highly recommend taking advantage of their free-to-start option. Testing a short clip first is the best way to see how well their AI upscaler handles your specific footage before committing to the platform. Overall, if you need a quick, hassle-free way to boost your video quality to 4K without downloading heavy software, Media.io is definitely worth bookmarking. Have you tried upscaling your videos with AI yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides, and head over to Media.io to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.